Hey guys, this car is with the HID factory, and today I have a 2008 Dodge Viper. So on this Viper, this customer saw our grill lights. He wanted to get them installed there, and he actually has a heat extracting hood with vents, which we also lit up for him as well. So if you want to check it out, the front bumper, we got his grill lit up. His intake, we also did that one. And again, the biggest thing is on his heat extracting hood were the vents. And with this kit, you're able to pick any color. Let's do jumps. If you want blue, green, red, if you want color match the color, you're able to do that. Another thing with this vehicle, again, it's a high-end vehicle, it's a fast car. We make sure we secure everything, and he's not gonna be driving slow in this. So, again guys, yeah, any other projects you have, anything you want to check out, we're online at thehidfactory.com. Any videos we have here, any of the projects we're working on, we always upload them to YouTube. Our YouTube link is the HID Factory. Don't forget to like and subscribe to it, and yeah, we're just going to be pushing more videos. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please let us know, email us, comment. Thank you guys again.